Hey, wonderful folks! Leo M here from Health Spiffy, and I'm thrilled to share a deep dive into a topic that's not just about nutrition but also about embracing a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're exploring 6 incredible high-protein vegetables, each with a complete amino acid profile. These veggies aren't just nutritious. They're also your allies in building a balanced, plant-powered diet. So, let's dive in together. 1. Spinach. First on our list is the ever-versatile spinach. It's not just a leafy green. It's a nutrient-packed superstar. Bursting with iron and vitamins, spinach goes above and beyond by providing all essential amino acids. Whether you're incorporating it into salads or blending it into a refreshing smoothie, spinach caters to various tastes and preferences. 2. Broccoli. Now, let's shine a spotlight on broccoli. Beyond its satisfying crunch, broccoli is a true protein hero. What makes it stand out is its ability to supply all the essential amino acids. This makes it a fantastic choice for those who are prioritizing plant-based goodness in their meals. 3. Quinoa. Moving on to quinoa, a seed that often takes on the role of a grain in our kitchens. What makes quinoa exceptional? It's a complete protein source, meaning it provides all the amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This gluten-free and adaptable ingredient opens up a world of culinary possibilities, adding a nutritional boost to a range of dishes. 4. Edamame. Now, let's explore the delightful world of edamame. These young soybeans aren't just a tasty snack. They're also a reliable source of protein with a complete amino acid profile. Whether you enjoy them as a standalone snack or incorporate them into your meals, edamame offers a delightful balance of flavor and nutrition. 5. Lentils. Next on our journey is lentils. These legumes, cherished in various global cuisines, are not just a dietary staple. They're a powerhouse of protein and fiber. Offering all essential amino acids, lentils play a vital role in creating nourishing soups, stews, and plant-based burgers. 6. Chickpeas. And now, let's talk about chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Whether blended into a velvety hummus or tossed into a vibrant salad, chickpeas are a delightful protein-rich addition to your meals. With a complete amino acid profile, they contribute not only to your nutritional needs but also to the flavor diversity of your meals. Wrapping up our exploration of these fantastic high-protein vegetables, we've learned that they offer not just sustenance but a spectrum of flavors and textures. Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or simply someone looking to enrich your diet, these veggies can play a key role. Before we conclude, I encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe to Health Spiffy for more enlightening content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these high-protein veggies resonates with you? Your feedback is valuable and contributes to the vibrant community we're building here. Until next time, take care of yourselves, stay spiffy, and let's continue this journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life together.